Green parrot, bright and small, sitting on the garden wall, feathers shining in the sun, chirping songs, having fun. Eyes so sharp, beak so strong, mimicking the morning song, eating fruits, flying high, parrots, joy beneath the sky. Friendly bird with wings of green, in the garden, always in nature's wonder, feathered friend, green parrot, joy you send. In the trees you find your nest, taking time to chirp and rest with each call you bring delight to, green parrot, pure and bright. Day by day you spread your cheer in every season, every year, nature, beauty, lively and true, green parrot, we cherish you.